Hi everyone! Welcome to our live webinar and welcome to Travel Pro, your travel provider. Okay, pag-uusapan naman po natin ngayon kung sino nga ba si Travel Pro. So si Travel Pro is an online travel solution provider. Operating po siya since 2014 at napaka-easing gamitin ang kanyang system. Real-time booking po tayo at napaka-user-friendly yung system natin. And at the same time, you can book low-cost airline and full-cost service courier. Okay, hindi na rin po kailangan pang i-memorize yung mga complicated na GDS code for you to be able to book. So you can also manage your business anywhere and anytime. You can also use your business name, brand, and logo. And at the same time, you can have your access 24/7 po yan. Kahit saan man po kayo, as long as you have internet connection, you can access your portal or system. We have also provided customer support. And the good thing is, wala po tayong quota, wala rin pong maintenance, and especially, hindi po tayo network marketing. And this system is used by many travel agencies nationwide. Next. If you plan to visit our office address is in 9th floor, Unit 914, Meridian by Avenir, Loft Unit, Golam Drive, Barangay Kasambagan, Cebu City. So ano-ano nga ba yung mga products and services na ino-offer ni Travel Pro? First, we offer airline bookings, mapa-domestic man and international, we can both cater. So wag po kayo mag-alala kasi pareho pong domestic at saka international, pwede nyo pong i-market katulad na lamang ng AirAsia, Cebu Pacific, Philippine Airlines, Singapore Airlines, Qatar Airways, and many more airlines. Okay? Napaka-easy and convenient po ng booking process natin. Wide selection of airlines and routes. Next, we have for hotel booking. Same thing with airline booking, pwede rin po nating makater ang mga hotels for domestic international. Just like Shangri-La, Solaire, Marriott, Crown Regency Residences, Solea, Radissons, Bayfront Hotel, and Lusitani Hotels and Resorts. So these are some of the hotels na meron po supportan natin. Pero if your client is looking for a low-cost hotel, meron din po tayo supportan yan. Kaya hindi na po kailangan itong maghanap ng ibang platform kung magbubook po kayo ng hotel. So best rates and flexible bookings po yung options na ino-offer natin na meron sa Travel Pro system. For holiday packages, wag po kayo mag-alala kasi wide variations po yung meron tayo for domestic and international. The good thing is meron po tayong tracker na kung saan makikita nyo po yung live update ng mga available slots for our tour packages. Next is meron din po tayong visa processing. The good thing po, meron po tayong naka-assign na admin for the visa. So if you have inquiry regarding the visa, pwede po kayo mag-message sa ating mga admins. Meron rin po tayong travel insurance. The good thing po, ang partner natin for travel insurance is Pioneer. So, ang good thing po is once fill up nyo po yung mga necessary information sa inyong Travel Pro system, automatic po, masasend at mabibigay po agad ang policy via email. So, ganun po kaganda at napaka-accessible po ng ating system. Ferry booking. So, marami po tayong mga partners na ferries such as Medallion, TransAsia, Tugo, Starlight, at iba pa. So, in case po yung client nyo ay naghahanap ng mga ferries na na-mention ko, feel free to message Travel Pro kasi meron po si Travel Pro nito. How to use our system? First, okay, pwede nyo pong gamitin ito for personal use or kaya naman, kung marami po kayong mga friends, relatives ang palaging nagta-travel, pwede nyo pong i-cater yung kanilang mga travel needs. And kung kayo po ay isang aspiring na entrepreneur, pwede nyo pong gamitin ang Travel Pro system to start your own home-based business. Literal po, online po ito, purely online, na kahit nasa bahay po kayo, pwede po kayo magkaroon ng negosyo. Second is pwede nyo po ito i-add sa inyong existing na business. Let's say for example, meron po kayong sarili niyong sari-sari store. So while waiting na meron pong mag-walk-in na bumili sa sari-sari store nyo, pwedeng-pwede nyo pong i-cater or kaya naman pwede po kayong mag-cater ng iba't ibang services na ino-offer ni Travel Pro. So additional income po yan. Pangatlo, kung kayo po ay nagpaplano na to put up your own travel agency system, pwedeng-pwede nyo pong gamitin ang sistema ni Travel Pro. Gaya nga ng sabi ko kanina, Travel Pro is your travel provider. Okay, how to earn with Travel Pro? First, pwede po yung kumita sa ating airline booking. Let's say for example, ang charge nyo po per booking is 200 pesos. Example, nakakadalawang booking po kayo kada araw. So, ibig sabihin, nakaka 400 pesos po kayo niyan kada araw. So, ang projected income nyo po monthly is 12,000 pesos. Same thing with international. Let's say for example, 500 pesos po yung charge nyo per booking. Tapos nakakadalawang booking po kayo per day. So, that is 1,000. Okay, ibig sabihin, nakakapag 30,000 po kayo yan monthly. So, this alone is for airline booking lang po. Okay, what if sa hotel booking? Okay, sa hotel booking, yung charge nyo po is 500 pesos per booking. So let's say for example, nakakapag-booking po kayo kada araw na at least dalawa. So that is 1,000 pesos per day. So ang projected income nyo po niyan monthly is 30,000 pesos. Okay, let's proceed po sa holiday packages natin. Actually, sa holiday packages, ang pinakamaliit po na pwede nyong kitain dyan is nasa 500, 700 to 1,000. But most of our all-inclusive travel packages, okay, pwede po yung kumita ng at least 1,000 pesos per guest po or per passenger. Okay, hindi lang po siya per booking. So let's say for example, nakapag-dalawang booking po kayo, okay, sa isang araw. So that is 2,000 per day. So kung everyday po kayo may 2,000 or dalawang booking per day, so that is 60,000 rin po. Malaki rin po yung pwede niyong kitain talaga sa holiday packages, especially right now, pwede ka nang mag-travel dahil wala na po yung mga restrictions dahil po, tapos na po yung pandemic. So that is the good thing po. Okay, for visa processing naman, ang pwede nyo pong kitain is 500 pesos per transaction. So let's say for example, nakakapag-transact po kayo ng at least 3 kada araw. So that is 1,500 pesos. So kung kukumpit po natin yan, within 30 days, nakaka 1,500 po kayo. That is 45,000 pesos rin po. Okay, for ferry booking naman, sabihin natin, yung kita nyo po is 150 per transaction. So, tapos nakakapag 10 transaction per day po kayo. So, your daily income is 2,000 pesos. So, in monthly, kung nakaka 2,000 pesos po kayo daily, so that is 60,000 po. Projected income po yan, 60,000 per alone per ferry booking. Now, for travel insurance, ang sabihin po natin nakakapag 3 transactions po kayo per day. And then yung income nyo po sa bawat transaction, sa bawat travel insurance na ini-issue nyo is 185 pesos. That is 555 pesos po per day kung nakakatatlo po kayong transactions per day. So kung ita-times po natin yan into 30, ang pwede nyo pong kitain alone for travel insurance is 16,650 pesos. Now, kung i-breakdown po natin lahat ng kinita nyo from all of the services na ino-offer ni Travel Pro is for airline booking alone, pwede na po kayong kumita ng 40,000 monthly. For hotel booking, 30,000. For holiday packages naman, 60,000. For visa processing, 45,000. For ferry booking, 60,000. And travel insurance for 16,650. Okay, ang total na pwede nyo pong kitain or the potential income na pwede nyo pong kitain per month is umaabot po ng 120,000. Ganun po kaganda yung sistema ni Travel Pro. Kahit home base nyo po ito gawin or i-add nyo po to sa existing na business nyo or mag-put up po kayo ng sarili nyong travel agency, definitely ito po yung pwede nyo pong kitain talaga monthly. Okay. Ipapakita ko po sa inyo yung system overview para at least meron po kayong overview sa ating system ni Travel Pro. First, ito po yung home button natin. So, upon logging in sa portal nyo po, okay, ito po yung lalabas. So, you can see a lot of buttons. So, for example, for airline, bus, hotel, holiday packages, insurance, ferry, and visa. Next is service charge. Okay, sa baba po ng portal natin, dyan po yung dashboard for service charge. So, dyan po tayo maglalagay kung magkano po yung gusto natin kitain for airline booking, mapa-domestic man and international, and at the same time for hotel. Okay, booking. Now, for airline booking, ipapakita ko po sa inyo na ito po yung, for example, nag-search po tayo sa Cebu to Manila, November 30 to December 1. Ganyan po lalabas yung mga setup. Lahat po na may flights na airline, lalabas po sa portal natin. Kaya, good thing po, hindi nyo na po kailangan po mag-open ng multiple tabs to search kung sinong airline ang may pinakamurang flight for Cebu to Manila. Kasi sa portal po natin, once mag-search po kayo, available po lahat ng mga flight schedules. And at the same time, dito po sa client booking details, kapag i-click po natin yung book button, ito na po yung susunod na step wherein i-input na po natin yung information ni client. So, it's either their first name, last name, birthday, gender, lahat po. And if you wanted to add baggage, meal, i-click nyo lang po yung add-on services and automatic makikita nyo po yung actual rate for food and baggage. Okay, next. So, ano nga ba yung mga inclusion sa Travel Pro na package po natin? Ako po yung excited para sa inyo. Okay, first, ang mga services na included po sa ating Travel Pro promo package for only 2,500. Okay, first, you can enjoy, offering our airline booking for domestic and international, hotel booking for domestic and international, holiday package for domestic and international, visa assistance, travel insurance, ferry booking, and at the same time, may pa-previous pa po sa Travel Pro. Included na po dito yung free marketing materials that you can use to promote your services or your brand. And second, may manual po tayong binibigay and 24/7 nyo pong ma-access yung portal nyo po provided by Travel Pro. And the good thing po, meron po tayong customer support. How to become a Travel Pro partner? Napaka-easy lang po. Konting steps lang po yung kailangan nyong i-follow para maging part po kayo ni Travel Pro. But the question is, gaano po kayo kadesidido para maging part ni Travel Pro? At gaano rin po kayo ka-excited na simulan ang negosyong ito? Okay, hindi ko na po patatagalin pa. I-explain ko na po sa inyo kung paano po kayo makakapagsimula. Kasi ako po, before ko po ito ginawa, napaka-excited at napaka-grateful ko po kasi syempre for only 2,500. Sat ka pa, diba? May negosyo ka na, pwede mo pang gamitin pang personal use. Okay, step 1, i-fill up nyo lang po yung registration form provided by Travel Pro. Second is, send nyo po yung resibo nyo together with the registration form sa email ni travelprophilippines@gmail.com. Step 3, wait nyo po yung portal nyo to be activated within 24 hours. After nyo pong isubmit yung mga requirements na kinakailangan for you to be able to be part of Travel Pro. So once nag-set na po kayo nyan, antay na lang po kayo sa inyong activation details na masasend sa inyong email. And lastly, I would like to welcome you aboard sa Travel Pro. Kasi po, for only 2,500, lifetime nyo na pong pwedeng gamitin yung portal natin. Personal use man yan or pang home-based na business. So congratulations in advance at kung meron po kayong mga questions, feel free to send us a message on our official Facebook page or contact us on our contact number. See you and welcome aboard, Travel Partner. God bless.